Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to increase the font size more than 72 in Word. From the beginning, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, thank you a lot. To increase the font size by more than 72, we select the text that font needs to be increased, then right-click on the text and in the menu that appears, you can immediately change the font size by entering the required number. The same can be done in the font section by manually changing the font size. As you can see, it's difficult to immediately determine which font size is suitable for your document. This can only be determined by selecting or using the buttons on the right, namely increase font size and decrease font size. This button increase or decrease the text size stepwise, and by clicking several times you can select the text size you need. And finally, the fastest way is to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus right square bracket to increase the text size gradually and Ctrl plus left square bracket to reduce the size of the text smoothly. It's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching and leave comments. Did you know about all the ways to enlarge the text?